Hey guys, wanna know how to fix lags or FPS drops in Asphalt 9 Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. First up, what you gotta do is head towards the settings that is on the top right corner right here. And once you're there, head towards game settings. And now select graphics settings right here. You have got basics to advanced settings. Now make sure your graphics is absolutely low for better performance. So just simply select visual quality to default. Make sure your frame rate is 30 and make sure your 3D mode is off as well. And what you can do is simply base profile to default, bloom to off, depth of field to off, and volumetric lighting to off. Now make sure to also lower shadow resolution. And that's it. Once you're done, you need to simply restart your game. Super simple and easy, right? Now what else you can do is you can also clear your cache of your game. For that, just close the application once, hold the application right here and select this icon that will open the settings. Now once you're there, right here you can see clear data on the bottom right. So simply click on it, but instead of selecting clear all data, select clear cache. Set OK, and after that your cache will be cleared. Super simple and easy. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.